Hi, today, I'm going to show you how to make videos with Video Express 2.0. This is a beginner's tutorial. I am going to show you how easy it is to make your first video using Video Express 2.0, no experience needed. If you don't already have Video Express 2.0, there is a link in the description to purchase your plan. I am using the All Access plan. Disclaimer: I am new to video creations. The hardest part for me was getting my prompts right. That's why I feel Video Express A.I 2.0 is great for beginners. You get an unlimited number of attempts to get it right.
This is going to be a short tutorial on how to make a video using the text-to-video feature on Video Express A.I 2.0. This is a very easy feature to use. Once you log into Video Express, I want you to click on Create with AI. Once you click on Create with AI, look for the box that says Text to Video. Click on that arrow. It's going to be a video prompt box that comes up. Once that box comes up, you can start typing in what you want to see in your video. Get as specific as possible where the scene is taking place, the complexion of the person that's in your video, what the person is wearing, if they're standing, sitting, if they're holding something in their hand. Not only that, you can also use this little speaker to speak it in instead of doing all that typing. I'll do that now. Pixar style 3D animation of a little girl playing in a sunny park. She is smiling, laughing, and playing with a big red ball. She stops, she looks to her right, and she throws the ball. Now, once you're finished speaking it into the microphone, click the microphone so it can stop recording. If you like what you have in there and you're great at doing video prompts, fine. But if you're new like me and you're not great at doing video prompts, you can click this purple box that says Enhance Prompt. We're not going to worry about sharing this in the public gallery or video link booster. We'll talk about that at another time. So if you're new like me, click on Enhance Prompt. What that is doing, it's like it said, it's enhancing your prompt. Once that pops up, click on Create Video. It's going to say your video will appear in your media library under My Media tab when it's ready. I want you to click Close. Go back to your right-hand side. At the top, it's going to say Media Library. Click on Media Library. You're going to see some folders pop up. Scroll down till you see the folder that says My AI Videos. Click on that folder and you'll see that Video Express is now creating your video. This is going to take from 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not going to make you wait 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to come back. Now, once your video is created, to view your video, I want you to right click on the image and select play. And that's your video. Now let's do one more. Go over to your right hand side, click on Create with AI, go to Text to Video, and enter your prompt. I just typed in 2 little girls playing in a sunny park with a beautiful red ball chasing each other. And of course, because I'm not a pro at this, I'm going to select Enhance Prompt. Once I enhance prompt, I'm going to click Create Video. I'm going to click the Close tab, go back to the right hand of my screen, click on Media Library. I'm going to scroll down till I see My AI Videos, and I'm going to wait till it populate. Now I'm going to show you how to view your videos back to back. It's an easy process. The first video you want, you just right click on it, select add to timeline. The second video you want, you right click on it and you add the timeline. Now you see there in the middle of your screen, in order to view it, you push this play button and there are your two videos. They're going to play back to back. I think this came out pretty good for a beginner. This feature is pretty great, I think so. I like it. Now make sure if you like what you have created, you hit the save button. When you hit the save button for the first time, it's going to tell you to name it. You name it and you click save. Now, I'm creating videos for children. Learning videos, story videos, just clean, good, fun videos for children. Tell me in the comments section, what are you going to do with your videos? Who are you creating your videos from? I would like to hear from you. Thank you and you have a great day. Stay tuned for my next video. The next video is going to show you how to add voices to the videos that you have created or the characters that you have created. It's going to be fun and it's easy.